morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Sit down, sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear students, today I want to tell you an important thing. Education gives intelligence, knowledge, and helps us to earn wealth, prosperity, and also gives us a certain respect and stature in the society. That is what we are going to learn now. But this is about knowing what is life, how to live, how to succeed in life. This subject will teach all those. You are all new students. Today you all just go through this. From tomorrow we'll start the syllabus.
What is the syllabus, ma'am?
MMCH. Oh, it's stinking so much. People have thrown the food here and see how it is smelling so bad. Can't they just throw it somewhere else? So close to the school.
Hey, can't you call the municipality people? Boss, dead body.
Why these people are standing here? After all, it's a dead body. What are you looking at my face? Just call the ambulance. Just move from here. Unable to bear the smell. Just get inside. Let us move.
Sir, you should have watched the postmortem being done once at least.
Doctor, just seeing that dead body itself, my stomach got upset. As you said, if I got to see that postmortem, I would have lost myself. Oh my god, it's just atrocious. Oof. Okay. What does the postmortem report says?
Confirmed murder, sir.
Doctor's report says someone would have banged his head with a weapon, sir.
By hitting in that force, half-inch weapon had gone into his head.
But we are unable to find out the person, sir, because the face is fully damaged.
Worms had eaten his body. It was looking like a half-boiled, spoiled one.
Even burned body can be identified, sir. At least we can find out from the face, sir. But in this case, it's not possible, sir.
Most probably he might be Hollywood hero Arnold Schwarzenegger's fan, sir. Just report a news in the paper that we have found a dead body from that place. If somebody had given a complaint that their son is missing, probably they'll come and search for the body.
If they come also, how will they recognize, sir?
A person who enjoys for 9 minutes is a man. A person who carries for 9 months is a woman. A woman will recognize a son who she was carrying in her womb. Do just what I say.
Okay, sir.
The decomposed body of a 25-year-old male has been found. The postmortem report says that this young man has been murdered. The police has requested that anyone can identify this person can come to the hospital and identify the dead body. Address KC General Hospital, Malleshwaram Police Station, Bengaluru. Mobile number 99423 65210.
What nonsense news is this?
Dead body, Daddy?
After all, whose?
Hey, what are you both daughter and daddy discussing about dead bodies in the morning?
It's not me, Mummy. It's Daddy only saying.
No, dear. I didn't ask anything, nor did she say anything.
You
Hey,
come
please leave
inside.
me alone.
Yeah, come in.
Hey, in the
Your daddy
morning,
neither
I'm getting
has hair
caught
nor
by-
brain in his head. You come inside.
Hi, Fatso.
What are you doing, Cadbury?
Nothing much. I was just ironing the dress.
Don't tell me I'm just waiting for this 15 days to get over. When will college reopen? It's so boring, yeah.
In 2 years, only twice we have come to hometown. Just enjoy it. Once we finish the studies anyway, we are gonna work in Bangalore only, isn't it?
Yeah, that's also right. I'm just going to get ready for a puja. It'll get over shortly. After that, all the 4 of us will connect through a conference call, okay?
Okay, bye darling.
Okay, bye bye. Take care.
You told me you want to have a final discussion. I have also come. Since you are not saying anything at all, I don't think I have any work here. I'm leaving.
1 minute, hold on, Megha. Instead of discussing all that, why don't we just stop
Don't
talking?
make any further efforts. When we both can't get along each other, whatever you say, it's all waste.
That we both loved each other is fact.
That doesn't mean we have to get married. Do all those love who get married? Many people shake hands and get away. As a girl, I have to feel bad. When I say no, you consider that you are lucky. I came as soon as you called. You know why? Because you have always been a gentleman with me. When my family is not accepting this, I cannot go against them and do anything. I don't have any further love on you.
I can't forget you, Megha.
I think we don't have any evidence for our love. It's not registered anywhere, Pratap.
I'll ready to take away my life, Megha. But I cannot forget you, Megha.
I'm definitely going to block your number.
Megha, shall I come and talk to your family?
My father is growing old. If you have had true love on me so far, I believe that you will allow me to go in my way. Hey, what's up? No call from you after you went to your place? Ahaha, as if you gave me a call. Hey, fat soul, talk now.
What, yeah? Forgotten Bangalore water and drinking salt water?
I've been busy with my daddy's hospital checkups and other such things. Hey, where is that Cadbury?
Abba, you all remember me at least now.
Hi Harshita, how are you?
I am super.
Hey Megha, Fat Soul's family is searching a bridegroom for her. Oh, is it so, Mala?
Hey, she's simply bluffing.
Look, Mala, think properly before you decide. If you run away and get married, friends will come. If you walk and get married, parents will come. Choice is yours, huh?
In this arranged marriage, seeing the boy for a girl, selecting, all these things are like selecting innerwear for boys in stock clearance sale.
Hey, to show for a boy, first take a passport size photo. You can wear any color top. But don't forget about the bottom, okay?
You people will find a suitable boy for me, I think. I don't know which prince is going to come and take me away.
Huh? Shall I call Trump?
Oh, he is American president now.
Also a great politician.
Hey, leave all those. We all have another 15 days to go back to Bangalore. Before we do that, shall we all meet up in one common place?
Good idea.
But where? In my place.